What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Hope you've been doing well. I just got a bunch of new parts in for the Razor MX650 MX2000 mini Supermoto build. So we are gonna be taking this thing apart, and I'm gonna have a lot of content for you coming up in the next week or so. But before I do that, I just wanna share a brand new bike that I actually just got delivered. You might know, if you look through my channel, that I tinker with my Razer MX650 a lot. I can't stop modding this thing. I love it. I actually ride it every other day to go to the gym. As you see, it's no longer an off-road vehicle. I've got some DOT street tires on it. I ride this thing around neighborhoods and actually some main roads. So I like it the way it is. I enjoy it as it is, but I do miss the days that I used to rip on this thing on some dirt and gravel roads when I used to live in a more rural area. But it's too late now for me to convert this thing back into an off-roader. I actually got myself a brand new 2022 Kawasaki KLX 140 RF. I'm so freaking excited about this bike. It actually just got delivered less than an hour ago. Still got tag on it. It's perfect size for me. This is the RF. This is the full size model. It's actually, I still have to tippy toe on it. Now, just to make myself clear, this is not to replace the Razer. This is for a completely different purpose. Let's actually start this thing. So this KLX is actually not my first motorcycle. I used to have a Suzuki GSXR, it's like a 92 or 93, but that was a really long time ago, like 8 years ago or something like that. So it has been a really long time since I've ridden a bike or owned a bike that has a clutch. I've ridden some here and there, but you know, I'm not like ripping on it on my own time. So I'm very excited for this thing. And I've actually never had a dirt bike before. This is my first off-road real dirt bike with a clutch and high ground clearance and some serious trail tires. So I can't wait to take this thing out onto some single track. In other news, a couple of my old coworkers actually just got into this whole electric bike, electric scooter thing. And they got themselves a bunch of these 3,000, 4,000 watt, like dual motor stand-up scooters. And I rode a couple of them, and some of them are freaking insane. They go like 50, 60 miles an hour. So it made me really jealous with my Razer. So I ended up buying a bunch of parts of this thing. So that's actually what we're gonna be working on in the next couple videos. I cannot freaking wait to take my new dirt bike out and rip on it on some trails, but unfortunately, this is kind of an impulsive purchase, and I was not very prepared for it. I have a Subaru Crosstrek and a BMW E30. There is no way for me to haul this thing around. That's why I actually had to get it delivered. So I still have some things to figure out as far as transportation goes, but when I have that figured out, I'm gonna make sure to take you with me on the first ride so you can see how the new bike rips. But for the meantime, let's go mod this Razer. This big box in the living room actually just got delivered today, and one of the items in it is this big brake kit, hydro brake kit, that I'm gonna be using for the Razer. I also got a lithium battery kit for it, finally. Hopefully that's gonna save a lot of weight, turn up the speed since it's gonna be slightly higher voltage. I'm gonna save the installs for my new parts on the Razer for my next videos. Tonight I actually just want to chill and admire my new bike. I'm so freaking excited. Let me know what you guys think of this thing. But if you are interested in keeping up with the KLX, my MX650 or MX2000 build, or any of my other projects, consider subscribing to my channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.